What's up, guys? Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading. I have a story for you. I got a phone call today from a good friend of mine. He's been trading for 2 or 3 years. He's got a good job, but on the side he's been trading, making a little bit of extra money. His style of trading is he's a technician. He looks for different chart patterns. He told me he uses RSI, he's a big candlestick guy, and a couple of other indicators that I've never heard of. He's been doing fine, making a little bit of money over the last 2 or 3 years. But his problem is it's so freaking stressful. He's been trading for 2 years now. 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. He'll make a little bit, lose a little bit. He loves it, has strong passion for it, but the style of trading keeps him up at night. It really frustrates him. So he said, hey, I watched your class this past Saturday. I'm going to link to the class right here. I've been watching your videos, and I get it. Spread trading. I see the difference. Now, I've been trading for 22 years. Throughout that time, I've always traded relative value. Relative value is spread trading. It's pair trading. So he's so convinced that he's going to change. He's no longer going to be an outright trader. So I said, fine, what's your concern? How do you place the order? That was the one thing that was holding him back. How do you place the order to put in a spread? I don't have a spreader. I call my broker. They don't allow me to just trade a spread. How can I make a trade? So I said, so all you need to do is learn how to execute a spread trade, and then you're willing to stop what you're doing for the last 2 or 3 years and finally make this change? Yes. Well, okay. Here's the deal. And I'm talking to you directly. I'm going to show you exactly how to put that spread trade in, and no more outright trading. It's time to drink the Kool-Aid. Let's go.
Okay, so what I'm looking at here, I'm just looking at Edge Light. That's what this tool is. And I'm just looking at the relationship between S&P and NASDAQ because I just want to do a basic trade for you. It looked like S&P against NAS rallied, just gave it a little sale. Here's what I did. By the way, because these are micros, they're really, really inexpensive to trade. This is the P&L. So if you sell here at 325 and you buy back at 200, you're going to make $125. We chart everything based upon P&L. So in front of you, S&P NAS. So I'm going to do the trade. On the left, we're going to have S&Ps, and the right, NASDAQ. I'm putting in an order to sell one at 30.63. I'm offering one. At the same time, I go over to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ I want to buy. S&P I want to sell. Watching it. NASDAQ goes off for a little bit. I put a bid in there to buy. I get filled. Buy one. Cancel that order. And then watch the market. I'm not going to let it get away. I know I have to sell one S&P. I could just hit the bid right now. I wait for a second longer. And then finally, I get filled. That's how you place a spread trade. It doesn't have to be so complicated. Keep things simple. Find a level that you want to sell. Put the order in. Get filled. And welcome to the spread trading family. Why don't we go through one more example so my good friend has no excuses whatsoever to stop gambling on outright charts. So what we're looking for is we're looking for breakdowns. Breakdowns, inefficiency, it comes back together. They spike around, it comes back together. This video, I'm just showing you how to execute a spread. That's the motivation behind this video. Doing a couple of trades, really to show my friend how easy it is to trade spreads. It's really not that big of a deal. So the next example, what we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to buy the S&P and sell the Russell. I sell the Russell first. It doesn't matter which one you sell first, but in this example, I sell the Russell first. So we are buying the blue line. The blue line is S&P against Russell. We're buying the S&P and we're selling to Russell. So on the left, we have the Russell. On the right, we have the S&P. This spread is 2 to 1, 2 Russell to 1 S&P. Offering to Russell. Filled. Now I have to go get my S&P, buying one. Buying one, fill, done. That's it, guys. That's how you put on a spread. You don't need a spreader. Keep it simple. Find a value that you're comfortable with. Get the trade on, and then patiently wait. Watch that 70-minute class, guys. I think you'll really enjoy it. My name is Jonathan Rose. I'm the owner of Masters in Trading.